can fight and you can kill, soldier. But until I see that revolution beats in your heart, I treat you as the enemy. Our righteous cause draws new followers every day. The Reapers' ranks are ever growing, with those eager to cast the yoke of oppression off their shoulders. We have not the weapons to arm all these recruits, and so we must acquire some. The military has a supply depot that holds all the arms we need, and with your help, the Reapers will claim it. Now my men will bring you there.
There is a radio transmitter inside the compound, from where I can hack into the enemy security and send out an order to stand down. We move out! Remember to keep me alive, Scorpio.
Okay, move in! We got him!
Entrance is shut! Scorpio, work your way around and open it from within. Covering fire! Go, Scorpio, go! There is a radio transmitter inside the compound, from where I can hack into the enemy security and send out an order to stand down. We move out! Remember to keep me alive, Scorpio. The entrance is shut! Scorpio, work your way around and open it from within. Covering fire! Go, Scorpio, go!
Don't let him get away!
Let's go! Slaughter the fascist pigs!
I have a clear shot!
Comrades! On me! That mounted gun is tearing us to shreds! Take it out, Scorpio!
They are still advancing! Drive them back, damn you!
Snipers! Take them out, Scorpio! All clear! Move out, Reapers! Look out! A military jeep! Deal with it, Scorpio!
Protect the inner compound! This is where we make...
We are close to the inner compound! Victory is near! The oppressors have prepared a heavy defensive up ahead. We must crush them! Mounted guns! Scorpio, take care of it! out, Reapers!
Now, we'll have some fun.
Okay, we did it. I can hack into the radio transmitter here. But you have to watch my back, Scorpio. I need to get the right frequency. Just a little longer.
We got a positive! Then
Scorpio! 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 That's it! They are standing down! Victory!
Oh, Scorpio! Today you have helped me nurture the children of the revolution. I hope you will provide for my young ones in the future, too. Requesting backup.
That was fun!